Most of you would have heard of the book Gulliver's Travels. The first part of the book is about a country of tiny people called Lilliputians, who are on average 12 times smaller than a normal human. To start us off, let's look at some basic information. Each mammal is made up of cells. Each cell contains a bunch of mitochondria. They generate energy from the food consumed by the organism. It also generates heat just like a little engine while it's working. Mammals need to maintain a certain temperature to stay alive. But how does this have anything to do with man? Size. Imagine a cube. Each of its sides are 1 unit long, its surface area is 6 square units wide, and its volume is 1 cubic unit. Now let's double each side. The side length is now 2 units. The surface area is 24 square units, but the volume is 8 cubic units now. Notice something? When we double the side length, the surface area and the volume didn't. The surface area quadrupled, but the volume increased by 8 times. The volume increases faster than the surface area. Back to biology. A larger animal has lots of volume, or mass, which is loaded with little engines radiating heat into the animal, but not as much surface area. The opposite applies for smaller animals. They don't have as much heat generated, but a lot more surface. But why would this be a problem? Because heat can only leave an object through its surface. A large animal has a lot of heat generated, but not so much surface where it can leave. A small animal doesn't have as many mitochondria, but loses what heat they generate very fast. But shouldn't this mean that all animals should be of intermediate size? But nature found a way. On average, the cell of a small mammal is much more active than that of a larger one, and not just the cells. The heart of a mouse beats 840 times a minute, and breathes 230 times. That's pretty fast compared to blue whales, 2 beats per minute and 1 breath every night. But there's one thing that all mammals have in common: heartbeats. Apparently, all mammals have around 1 billion heartbeats throughout their lives. Larger animals have a longer life and a slower heart rate. Small animals have short lives and a fast heart rate. That's it for today, thanks for watching.